Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
How do you think you performed last year?
Sir, I think I did pretty well.
So you are happy with what you did, huh?
Yeah, but of course, I can do better.
You haven't given me 10% of what you can. In fact, I'm disappointed with you. I'm really disappointed that such a precious talent like you is leaving us.
Yeah, I understand. But I think it's the right time for me to move on. And actually, I think I gave enough engagement to my work, as you are well aware of, right?
Justify your work engagement over a year.
Sir, I gave 105 demos alone and also gave over $1 million business.
And you expect a medal for that, huh? If I go to this window and shout, even I'll get more than 10 million business.
Sir, but my target was only 500k.
And you overachieved it. By looking at your achievements last year, I think you are hurrying into a decision. You alone did 106 demos. You also exceeded all our expectations by giving 1 million business to our company.
You are forgetting something about that e-commerce website.
Oh yes, I haven't seen such an amazing website in my whole career. Your pathetic website is as slow as lame turtle.
Sir, I even missed my sister's wedding for office work.
Your sisters are keep getting married all the time. Even I missed my alumni meet last week. Am I crying about it?
Sir, I worked on weekend also.
Nothing unreasonable. Work always comes first.
Yeah, weekends are something that I do not want to do anymore. You know, I want to spend more time with my family.
That sounds reasonable. Family always comes first.
Yeah, completely agree. And just to let you know, my younger sister is getting married.
Oh wow! Where and when is the wedding?
Next month.
My hearty congratulations for their future. What are your future aspirations?
Sir, I would like to be a manager like you.
Too difficult for you to reach, especially with such a below average skill set.
Actually, you know what I have realized? That my passion is not anything about giving demos.
Then what is it that inspires you? I am sure we can create a role for you in your area of interest. I can hardly see you as a junior associate assistant deputy manager in 10 years. I see you as a CEO in less than 7 years. You are losing such a precious opportunity to learn from a genius like me. Even I have learned so much from you. Your passions won't pay the rent of your house. Talking about pay, is there a concern? What is your current CTC? May I know how much they are offering you?
6 lakhs CTC, 50 lakhs CTC.
What has happened has happened. Hope to see some real work from you this year.
Hey Rahul, do you want to talk to me?